Stream dropped for a second. Don't know what quite happened there. I was setting some stuff up. Then it went and crashed. Love when that happens. Bear with. There we are. I think we're about set up now. Thank you for bearing with, folks. Hello everyone. Hopefully we are doing fantastically well today. I am Malcolm Bell. I am not doing so hot, unfortunately. I think all the stress in the last couple of days has kind of affected my immune system. I'm currently feeling a bit run down. My nose especially is feeling irritated. And I'm just achy and stuff. And I was like, do I really feel like playing like big actiony games today? Not really. What have I been doing lately? I've been doing a lot of programming. So I thought, why don't we just do a programming stream today? I don't know if it's necessarily going to be a very long one, but we are going to be having a programming stream. I have been busy. I have been cooking stuff. Also, hello, Ocelot. Good to see you, Ocelot. Hopefully you're doing well. Hopefully so, hopefully so. Right, let's just remove that little thing right there. Right, so what have I been doing? I've actually been learning how to make apps. I've been learning how to make servers, and I've been learning to use databases to make login systems. So I've been very busy lately. Hello there, Kuro. Good to see you. You had fun yesterday? Yeah, it was really fun actually. It was really fun. Yeah, lots of chaos when we actually got started. Unfortunately, I had to miss that, Kuro. But yeah, once we got started, it was really fun. It was good. There's one person, one killer that we ran into who was just basically not wanting to kill us. It was kind of funny and weird. But yeah, it was a good. We actually had a couple of good runs towards the end. It was very nice. It was very interesting. Lots of fun, lots of good laughs. Also, I think, did you see the you did see the Carnelia moment, didn't you? You saw the Carnelia moment, I know that much. Where she thought she had muted herself, but actually hadn't. Oh, that was incredible. We've got that as a soundbite now. I don't have it available on the stream. I will, I really need to set up a soundboard, and that's going to get added to the soundboard. Dear. Yeah, that was fun. That was fun. So yeah, yeah, we are going to have that on the soundboard at some point, because you never know. Sometimes we might need such an exclamation to be relevant for us, I suppose. Damn it, Asta. Yeah, I blame Astarte. I blame Astarte. Dear. But yes, yeah, today, little rundown, little feeling under the weather, but I have nothing but endless energy for programming. So programming we're gonna do. I've been learning how to do servers and stuff. And yeah, my idea, like this is stuff that I kind of, okay, it's not stuff that I have to learn. I basically made a short list of all the things that I would need if I was to be going into a particular set of jobs. And I thought, right, let's come up with a fun way to actually learn all this while making something that's like interesting and just fun and, you know, a good excuse to make something. So I thought, yeah, why don't I make a mobile game? Why don't I make like a gacha mobile game? So yeah, that's what I've been working on for the last week, basically, since like Monday. Well, actually, it was like Tuesday I started. Did I start the programming on Tuesday? I think I started the programming on Tuesday. No, it was Monday. It was Monday. Anyway, yes. So yeah, here's all the code. It's not actually too bad. I'm having a lot of fun with it. So yeah, yesterday, well, the day before yesterday, I managed to get a login system working, which is very fun. I had to learn how to use MongoDB, and all the stuff associated with that, because that's what I had. Yeah, apparently it's like really solid for having like loads of stuff for login already. But of course, I'm running things locally rather than hiring a server to hold like one person's login information. But yeah, no, it's good. It's good. Good tools to know. So yeah, anyway, what I want to do, we just run the server for the game itself. That's now running down here. And then I go over to MAAN, which handles HTTP requests for me. So right now, if you have a little look at the big window on the left-hand side of the screen, we've currently got nothing in here. Let I click find, when searching for anything, this database is empty. This database has nothing. There are no users in here. No user information at all. So, what we want to do now is we want to basically create a user. So I'm going to head on over to MAAN, which basically handles all the HTTP requests, and I'm going to send a message to the server saying this person wants to register an account. So I click send. Down here we see we got ourselves a little put request right there, and if we go back to MongoDB and I update here, we can see now we have a username. We have Mal has made an account. Lovely. And what I spent all of yesterday doing was making the login system cryptographically secure, so it doesn't save the raw password in the server. It only saves like a hash of the password. This is something that can just be reproduced every single time that you try to log in. So every time you try to log in, you send over the raw password, and then it compares the hash of that password to the hash that's currently stored here, also adding some salt just to make it a little bit harder to tell. But yeah, and now if we've got a user in the database. Now we have to actually log in. So go to the login option. Here we go. Yeah, that's login. Oh no, that's the old login. That's thing. Yeah, there we go. So this is the now login. So we click here. There we go. We see we've got a little post request down here, and that basically allows the player to be logged into the server. Lovely. Hello there, Daver. Welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Hopefully all is well. We're just doing some chill programming today. Well, I'm half demoing stuff that I've done already. Oh yeah, and we've got the lines showing what the hash is and what the salt is of the password as it was created, which I still need to comment out actually. It's in creating. So So that is in create record. Yeah, we just need to comment that line out. That's fine. What's cool as well is if the server has to automatically update itself, then because I'm using MongoDB, or Mongo Engine rather, what happens is when I restart the server still saves session data. So it can tell if someone's already logged in, even if the server has to restart. So if we click restart, stop and rerun, this completely clears. And yet, if I were to try and log in again, oh, apparently it's just happy to log in. Yeah, okay, apparently you can just log in the same person multiple times, it doesn't matter, that's fine. I mean, that's kind of fine. Right, so what we want to do now is we want to update this user because as it happens, the password that I've been using as my password has literally just been password, which is, the login system is cryptographically secure. So even if your password was password, it would still not be easy to find out that that was a password. But you know, it's going to be one of the first brute force attempts that people try. So let's change it to something else. Let's change it to better password. So now I'm going to send a post request to the server that will update the password. It will also, so yeah, where's the line? That's the user login. Update record, there we go. So what we're doing, we take the, where is it? Oh, I need to simplify this line a bit. Oh yeah, I really need to simplify this line. Yeah, I can put all these updates into one. So yeah, it takes the email address, so you can change your email. It also confirms the new password. Well, it confirms the old password first. It makes sure that if you're trying to log in, that it's like you know, like when you're changing your password on the website, it goes, please confirm your old password, please confirm your new password, and then enter your new password in again, just to make sure that you know that you've typed it right. Yeah, so I've actually done all of that. I've done all of that, so it takes your old password, new password, and confirms your email as well. So yeah, if we send over a request to change the password to new password, I click send, it sends over, then it just confirms that we are updating the password. I also need to delete that, so that's updating. Yeah, so this is the hash of the new password, this is the old password, and if you actually have a look on this side over here, so the last time we sent a request, the password hash starts 910 and the password salt starts 395. But if I click find, it changes because we've updated the password. The new hash is 227, the new salt is 01F. And now, if we go to login with the new password, I'm going to send another request over. It says success, user has logged in. Absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. I have a cryptographically secure login system in which you can change your password. I'm happy about that. I'm very happy about that. Dear, I love program. Seriously, this feels like some of the most important programming that I've learned. Okay, I've not learned a lot of programming, but I've learned a good amount of programming. This feels like some of the most applicable programming, especially the login system. Like I'm mostly using, actually no, tell a lie, yeah. I'm doing so there's a login system, yeah. But like you still have to meet certain criteria, as in you need to have the right password to be able to gain access to the login system. The login system itself is all automated. That's all automated by, where is it? Yeah, Mongo Engine. But to meet the criteria, you've got to actually pass the cryptographic hash, which is all this stuff, which has been very, very fun. So yeah, this is basically what I ended up doing from like, I don't know, Tuesday onwards. Whenever I've had a wee bit, or when I've had the energy to do some programming. I have literally just been working on this. But yeah, so what I want to actually do today is, let's just comment those out. That should update again. Lovely. What I want to do today is I would like to come up with a gacha system, or rather I would like to implement my idea of a gacha system, which I was doing some notes on last night actually. I've been awake a lot longer than I perhaps necessarily should have done. So yeah, I've got a bunch of entries down here for, wait, where is it? Yeah, I've got gacha roll right here. So let me see. I can go to, that's where's the roll? I've been testing login so much that I can't find my rolls. Right, there we go. Right, we can just send a gacha request that is going to be using this post gacha roll, and it just checks to see if we are rolling a 10 roll. So let's just do a single roll, send. Oh, is that still? I forgot about that. That was an error. How many pulls until a single pity roll? I haven't implemented a pity system yet. There is no current pity system on Ocelot. No, there is not. Let's do info.get instead. There we go. That should be better. So restart. Oh no, a fake Go gacha system sounds about right. Right, let's send over this request again. That should be better now. There we go. And right. Is it worth showing MongoDB now? I think it might be worth showing MongoDB now instead of... Yeah, MongoDB is probably going to be more important, I think. So let's have a little look. Change you to not Mongo Compass, not Mongo Shell. Postman! Sorry, there we go. Now you can see Postman. So yeah, I send a gacha request. That's written right up here. Then send. And you see that returns roll result. Because there isn't currently a gacha system there. There's no gacha in place. But if I send along 10 roll equals true as well, like it says up here, if I click send, then it also says roll result, but not 10 roll result. What? But 10 rolls been sent. Wait, do I have to send the body? Yeah, I have to send it in the body. Let's see, 10 roll true, not true. True. There we go. Right now, if I send this one over, 10 roll result. Lovely. Look at that. It works now. So yeah. Now there's two different gacha rolls. You got. Let's just delete that. Yeah, you've got the bear gacha, which just sends gacha, sends it over, you get a roll result. Or you got one that's a 10 roll. I think we can delete this now and send, and then we get 10 roll result because that's hidden in the body. That's good. Okay, so that's really fun. That's really fun. So. I can distinguish between a regular roll and a 10 roll. The problem now is, I don't actually have any logic for... I don't have any logic for the gacha rolls. So we're gonna have to try and figure that out today, I think. So yeah, and eventually I'm gonna break this all up into multiple things as well, so that's fine. Right, so the idea that I had is that we're gonna use a generator function. which has been a little bit since I actually programmed one, but they're not difficult. I just haven't made one for like a year. So my idea is, let's see, gacha concept. There we go. So, there are 4 rarities, is what I'm going to be going for. We've got mythic, rare, uncommon, and common, is what I'm going for just now. So I'm basically lifting this from Magic the Gathering, in case it wasn't ludicrously obvious. So in the pool, there are going to be $15 M's. There are going to be 53 rares. There are going to be 81 uncommons, and there's going to be 101 commons. Now, because we're just playtesting, I don't care exactly what these are. I don't need art. I don't need anything for them. You just have them in there. That's completely fine. Now, my idea, or an idea I have, is I want there to be runs in the game, but I don't necessarily want them all to be the same run. Or rather, I want the rates at which results get produced are done in runs. Not necessarily between difficulties, but like within a difficulty. So if you're going through the rares, there should be like a couple of runs of rares that can show up. But I'm gonna have to do some more thinking on that. We're just gonna put in a basic thing just now. You know what? That's probably more hassle than it's worth right now. Plus it means that the rolls actually go quite a bit faster. Nah, you know what? I like the idea. We'll roll with it. Right. So, we're gonna create a list, basically. So, mythics, or mythic rather. This is going to be an empty list, and then yeah. So mythic dot append actually we want this to all be in a bracket. Mythic dot append, we want to do a formatted string of M plus something, which is going to be X, for hex in range isn't it? Statement seems to have no effect. Statement seems to have no effect. There we go, that's better. Except for that. Hmm. Why does that want a colon? I'm trying to be clever. I'm trying to use a very concise line of code, but it's not really working, is it? That feels like that should work. Mythic is that. Mythic.append. For hex in range 15. That feels like that should work. Let's try this. This is going to be run while we start. So let's run, restart. Then we should see. No, it's not adding. Why not? Okay, that's fine. We'll just do it the boring way then. For X in range 15. Mythic.append. There we go. That should work, right? Run again. Then it prints. Object has no attribute hex. Helpful. Okay. Maybe. Encode, encode. String. There we go. That should hopefully maybe work. Why does it go 30 to start? That's weird. Hello. Why does it start at 30? That is peculiar. That's rather peculiar. We start at 0 though. Yeah, we start at 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 9, 10? That's odd. Numbers are weird, man. Oh, maybe the S being the problem there. Right, we'll try getting rid of those. This is peculiar. I mean, I like peculiar things. Peculiar things are always fun to run into. No, that's not behaving like I thought it was going to. Not at all. Very odd. Can I just go straight to hex? No. What if I just go straight to... No, integer... I go into bytes? Oh, and I used the wrong thing. We want brackets, not speech marks. We just get all the zeros for some reason. That's odd. That's odd, that is. Right, I think I'm just trying to be too clever here. Let's just use X. Let's not make it a hex. It doesn't need to be a hex. There we go. Now it just tracks the numbers themselves. That'll do. It's less sexy, but it'll do. Right. So that's mythic, rare, uncommon, common. Lovely. I want to see if I can get this to work. B. Feels like that should work. Oh wait, does this need to be square brackets? It's square brackets! Ah, it's square brackets. See, that's a lot neater, isn't it? Right, there we go. There we go. So now, what we do... Yeah, this is so much better. Copy, paste, 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 paste. So this is going to be rare dot append rx for x in range 53, wasn't it? 53. Then uncommon dot append u x for x in range 81, and common dot append dx for x in range 101. Leading zeros. Do I want leading zeros? I like leading zeros. Leading zeros are good. There's a way to do leading zeros. Python leading zeros. Display number with 0. I think it's like dot format, isn't it? Is it? F strings 02D. Let's try this. See what this looks like. Give that a bash. Run. There we go. Now there's leading zeros there. Print mythic. Print rare. Print. Oop. Ah. Print rarity for rarity and mythic, rare, uncommon, common. Here we go. And why are you complaining? Oh no, you were just complaining about the lines. That's fine. Alrighty, refresh. I don't technically need to refresh this entire thing for this, but there we go. There we go. Okay, oh, wait, is that... 100 on the commons. You can't see it because it's behind this other window. But it doesn't have leading zeros going into the 3. Can I do 3? That work? Let's try this. Yep, that works. Lovely. Let's just have them all on the same. Refresh. There we go. Now we've got leading zeros. Now we've got leading zeros. I like leading zeros. Leading zeros are fun. Although I think I will just have the 3 on the commons. Just keep these a bit neater. Yes. Yeah, they're much neater. Because they only go into the 10s, but these ones go into the 100s. That sounds fine to me. Why does it print that twice? Why does it print that twice? Hold on. Why does it print twice? Why does it go through the whole thing and then print it all twice? Peculiar. I don't like peculiar... Okay, no, I do like peculiar things. Peculiar things are fun. It's just odd. I'm just doing that. Right. Anyway, now we've got our lists. Or rather, we've got our gacha rewards here. Now we need to establish how we actually... what we actually do with them. So, right. We'll do it for a single gacha roll first. So yeah, let's have a little bit more of a think. Let's see. So there's odds of getting a certain rarity. So for mythic and rare, there is a 1 in 10 chance. For uncommon, there is a 2 in 10 chance. For common, there will be a 7 in 10 chance. Is what we'll go for. We will probably want to tweak that a bit later. In fact, let's make that not hard-coded. Actually, let's try and make all this not hard-coded. Might be nice. So... counts shall be big list. We'll do 15, 53, 81, 101. So this needs to be count 0. One, 2, 3. There we go. Now we can just change counts. which will just make what's the word? We'll make them constant because they should never change while the game is running. And we can just change them here if and when we need to, which is lovely. So those are the odds. We'll have another one for the odds. So 1 in 10, 2 in 10, 3 in 10. So those are the odds. But we've not populated our sheets yet. Wait, do we want to populate our sheets? No, we don't want to populate our sheets, that's fine. Do we? I think we do. Yeah, because each of these is just a list of all that reward themselves. It's not necessarily what the pools look like. Maybe it would be worth splitting the mythic and rare pools entirely. I mean, they are separate here. We'll have a think. Hello there, Violet Bit Kitten. Good to see ya. Welcome to the stream. You have a cute model. Why, thank you. Appreciate it. Hopefully you're doing good. Now, with a name like Bit, with Bit being in your name, I can only imagine you do some degree of programming yourself. I would be curious to hear. But yeah, hopefully things is going good. We are programming a gacha game because I like to challenge myself, not challenge myself, because I want to learn. I have more programming to learn, basically. So yeah, this is a good excuse for us to be doing it. You work in corporate IT and do some coding as a hobby. Oh, good stuff. Very good stuff. If you're coding as a hobby, that means you must actually enjoy the programming aspect. So props to you for that one. Actually, no. Is it even a point of enjoying? It's more like a compulsion at a certain point, isn't it? Definitely more of a compulsion. But yeah, I've been having fun learning how to code servers using Flash, Mongo Engine, not Flash, Flask, Mongo Engine. Send HTTP requests. Made a cryptographically secure login, or at least what I think is a cryptographically secure login. I will look forward to being proven wrong at some point. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with it. I've been meaning to learn this kind of stuff for years. I just, didn't know where to start. Pretty good. Compulsion is a good way to put it. It's true. It's true. It's true. You've got no choice at a certain point. You must program more. When you get started, anyway. Like, once you got the ball rolling. Right. Right, there's 250. There's 250 possible cards. There are 250. The odds of getting any of them in a pack is not equal. I did have this all planned out, didn't I? Well, I didn't really have it planned out per se. Right. So, let's do packs. Yeah, let's do sheets. Oh! Thank you, Violet Becketten, for the follow. Do appreciate. I really do. Thank you. Hopefully you enjoy your time here. Hopefully you'll continue to enjoy your time here. So right, sheets. Sheets. Sheet R will be, let's see, mythic plus, we actually, no, we don't need to put that in braces, do we? No. Mythic dot append, rare. Oh, we don't need to do a pen, do we? Mythic. Yeah, this is fine. I think this is better. Don't know. Rare. There we go. So sheet R is composed of the mythics and the rares, but 2 of the rares. Right, this is good. I can work with this. This is going to be good. Let's see, we're going to do sheet, or rather, should we pull? Let's go for pull. So there's pull R, there's pull U, which is going to be, this is actually going to be, this is going to be uncommon. But not all of uncommon. Going to be uncommon through to number 39. Three times, and then uncommon 40. That's going to be pull you 1. Pull you 2 is going to be uncommon 40. Put it in brackets, Mal. There we go. Then uncommon, we're gonna go 41. Oh, 41 through to the end. But 3 times. Which just gives us 2 different sheets of results. Now, this is going to be an interesting one as well. So, we're going to do pull C1, which is going to be the first common pull. That is going to be composed of common. Let's see, we're doing through to 60, so due to 59. And we're going to do that 2 times, and then add common 60. Then pull C2 will be Common 60 again. And common 61 through to the end twice. Lovely. So now we've got our pools. Very nice. And I think I might actually capitalize these. Pool R. Pool U. Cap over. Pool U. We'll just change the C's on these. Lovely. So now we've got our pools that we can pull from. Oh, homophones. Homophones are so fun. Let's see. So now we've got our pools. That makes me happy. So. We've got a range of which tiles are more common than others, or which results are more common than others. So, there are actually 2 speeds of uncommon cards, for example. Well, there's 2 speeds of rare cards. You've got either the mythics or the regular rares. Every regular rare appears twice for every time a mythic shows up. When it comes to the uncommons, we've got 2 different speeds as well. We've got 2 different sheets on which most cards appear 3 times, but for every 3 times those appear, there's 1 card that only appears twice. So it's going to be slightly rarer, an uncommon card. And then for the commons, we've got 2 speeds as well, effectively. Have I done that right? Oh wait, no. I need to do this 3 times, don't I? Yes. In order to get that right. Because these only have a range of 40, 40, 40, 41. There we go. So that's better. So yeah, there's now technically 2 speeds of commons. So we've got 2 that appear here twice. We've got... oh no, there are technically 3 speeds. This is kind of interesting. So there's... this gets printed twice. Or these each get printed twice. These get printed 3 times. But these ones here... here... and... wait, hold on. Here... and... here... those get printed once per sheet, but the sheets get printed in odd ratios, so it's going to be slightly different from the other 2. That's fun. That's fun. I'm stealing these sheet things from Magic the Gathering, by the way. It's something that I'm a bit... okay, it's not like I couldn't just do... what's it called? I couldn't just do a, like, typical gacha. But... it's what I kind of want to play around with. Is what I want to play around with, so this is going to be fun. Right, so. We've already got our odds printed here. So, yeah, ooh, is there a ratio between the printings of these? Printing that 3 times gets 6. Printing that 3 times gets 6. Yeah, hold on. I think I'm gonna need to find print sheets. Where are you? There's a note somewhere about the ratio in which the 2 sheets are printed, which I need to know. Print runs, printing practice. Where are you? Where are we? Where are we? I'm sure there was a note about it somewhere. About a ratio between the two sheet printings. Maybe it's down here. Ratio 3 and 4 printed in a ratio of 3 to 2. Ratio of 3 to 2. Yeah, so ratio of 3 to 2. Okay, that's helpful. That's helpful. That tells me what the odds. Okay, so I've got my odds of getting a tile overall are. But what I need are what the odds of getting a particular pool is. So, right. So 4. Yeah, that's what I'd expect then. So the C3s get printed 3 times. The 2s. Yeah, no, the 2s get printed 3 times, and the 3s get printed 2 times. That makes sense. That does make sense. Okay. So. Let's see. Pull odds. The pull odds are going to be, for the rares, it's going to be 1 in 10. That's going to be fine. Then for U1 and U2. I don't want to express this. Do I want to just make this out of 100? Let's make it out of 100 preemptively. Give that a shot. Violet Bit Kitten, are you Scottish? I am in fact Scottish. I don't lean into it too much, but I am actually Scottish, yes. Your set of great-grandparents emigrated from Scotland to the US quite a while back. My grandparents always had the family coat of arms on display. Oh, lovely! Oh, good stuff. Yeah, it's funny how the whole yeah, like cultural backgrounds and mixing things work. Oh yeah, very interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff. Yes, I'm Scottish native. Scottish native indeed. Right. Ooh, no. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's do it by 12s. Okay, we're doing this by 12s. I will take any excuse to do this with 12s. Yes! 12s are just so good. Oh. Yeah, we're doing this out of 120. I'll maybe go to 140 if I need to. So pull U1 and U2. So overall, that is 24 out of 120. But it's at a ratio. Pull 1 gets printed twice. Wait, hold on. No, those get printed in equal ratio. So that is 12 over 120. And another 12 over 120. And then for C1, that gets printed 3 times. And then that gets printed 2 times. So let's see. 36. 36 is 84. 84 divided by 5 doesn't work. Balls. Shoot. We probably can just do it with 100. That's disappointing. I was hoping that the power of 12 would save me here, but no. No, the power of 12 has betrayed me. And And there we go. Yeah, the power of 12 has betrayed me. Let's see. So there's 70 points to distribute between those two in a ratio of 3 to 2. Divided by 5 is 14. 14 points times 3 is 52, isn't it? So 52 out of 100. And then that's going to be 28 out of 100. Add those together gets me... That gets me 80. Which is more than it should be. What? Is it 42? Am I just bad with numbers? I think I'm just bad with numbers. It's fine. This is fine. I'm a professional. It's natural to be bad at numbers. Okay, so... 10, 10, 10, 42, 28. Those are the odds. Those are the odds. Ah, nice. Right, so... let's see. Cumulative odds. I'm not entirely sure about the best way to do this just yet, so we're just gonna roll with it. So this is gonna be 10, 20, no, 20. That's 10, that's 20. Let's go for, it's gonna be 30. Then that's gonna be 72. Then that's gonna be 100. Okay. Okay. I can roll with this. Or we can just make it decimal. Yeah, decimal's good. I like decimal. So that's be 1.0. Right. So what about... Can we do case match in 3.9? I don't think we can. I think that came in 10, wasn't it? Python case match. I think it came in, yeah, 3.10. Boo, I'm using 3.9. Don't remember why I'm using 3.9, to be fair. Right. I mean, I don't think updating to 3.10 would be a bad idea per se. Let's see, Python, not version control. Let's add new environment. Do I even have 3.10? Oh, I do. So this one's installed, program files. Yeah, if I could do 3.10, that would probably be pretty good. Python. Nope, I don't have 3.10. Balls. Right. Well, that's an easy fix. Just install 3.10. Download Python. I suppose I could try and do 3.11. Why not 3.11? I mean, if it messes everything up, we'll just stick with 3.9. Downloads 3.11.5. That'll do nicely. Run you. Nice, nice, nice. Right, this hopefully will be good. I like the conciseness of code that I'll get for this. Yeah, I think... Wait, the reason I was going for 3.9 originally was because that's what RenPy runs on. Like the new RenPy, now it's been updated to run on Python 3. They use 3.9. That's why I've been using 3.9. Maybe that's... Maybe, I mean, I have still been considering using Python as a kind of... or RenPy rather, as a kind of front end. So... for the client, so why not? Yeah, maybe I should just stick with that. I'll consider it. I'll consider it. Still won't work to have the new version available. Yeah, we'll just leave it be. We'll stay on 3.9 for now. What am I wanting to do? Right, we're doing the matching, aren't we? Match, 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 match. Match, 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 match. So, we get the gacha. Oh, we just want to use random, don't we? Also, Ocelot, thank you for the gifted sub. Very appreciated. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hopefully get some good use out of that there, Violet Bit Kitten. Hopefully you enjoy. We do have some nice emotes, by the way. We do have some good emotes. Or at least I think I do anyway. The thighs are obviously the favorite. Let's see. That's the odds. So I think a for loop will be what I want. So, yeah, let's use a random. Use a random. Right, so gacha roll. We'll do a single roll first. So, roll will be random dot random. That will get me a nice decimal, and then There's probably going to be a better way of doing this. I'm just going to do it this way anyway. So for X in range, len cumulative odds, then F roll is less than or equal to cumulative odds X. Then we want a dictionary now. So let's turn this into a pool dictionary. We don't want those, we want those. Is that what I want? Have a separate dictionary. Yeah, separate dictionary. So 0 goes to pool R. 1 goes to pool U1. 2 goes to pool U2. 3 goes to pool U1. 4 goes to pool U2. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So, result is then equal to random dot choice. Oh, wait, you can do choices with weights. I mean, of course that makes sense, you can do that. Okay, that's actually a lot more efficient than the way that I was doing things. Hold on. Let's see. Random choice weights. Python. Give this a look. Weighted random choice. Choices. Aha, there we go. There we go indeed. Yeah. This is so much better. This is so much better, it's not even funny. So we don't need that anymore. We don't need these anymore. And I don't think we even need this anymore. Comment it out for now. Result is random dot choices. Now we need the list. I don't think we need the dict at that point either, do we? No. I think it would be better just to have it as a list. Yeah, list is better. Probably just, yeah, set the list here. Much better. Just delete all these. Keep it up on the one level, because why not? Good stuff. So that's the list of pools. So we go pool list, and then pool odds, and then k equals 1. For the number that we're choosing. Okay. This could be very good. This could be very good, actually. Okay. Let's just test this and see if this works. Can we actually get a gacha run? Okay, apparently list indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. What? Integers or slices? Am I not using slices? Oh wait, it's because I made. Wait, did I? No. Weird. They shouldn't be tuples. Why are they tuples? 271, that's here. List indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. I'm trying to use slices here. Missed something obvious, haven't I? Python list slice. Is like a colon or something that I use? Ah, right. It's colons. Yeah, don't use the comma. Yes, the comma. Yeah. Just me not using slices often enough. Right, hopefully I don't need to use another thing there. Give that a run. Now we're behaving. Lovely. Right, let's just confirm that I'm still logged in. We will go for a regular roll. Send. Okay, well, we got a roll. Right. Now, restart, rerun. Right, fingers crossed. Now, what we should see here is it'll tell us what the result is going to be of the roll. So if I send, aha. Right, so it just gave me the list. It gave me the list of the commons, which is not what I wanted. Actually, it gave me the list of the lists that I could go for. Right, there's like nested odds. Okay. So what this does, it tells me which pool to draw from. Yeah, this tells me what pool to draw from. And then I think we just want to, instead of doing this, we want to like concatenate these rather than having like lists and lists and lists. Why are you... I think that should be fine like that then. Yeah, we want to concatenate these strings instead of put them together. Lovely, okay. That's better. Now that fixes that issue. So now it should return the way that this is currently returned. It's got like lists of lists. If I send it now, it sends just... Okay, it doesn't send just one list. It's close to doing it though. Oh, that's irritating. I think I can get rid of the... No, I don't. Why are you complaining now? Cannot assign to operator. And that's just because I didn't get rid of that. Malcolm Bell, failing at list operations. Charming. Right. Literally searching Python list concatenation. List. On. Or is it concatenation or is it concatenation? For some reason I like the cat. Yeah, you literally just add the lists. And they add together. There we go. Why are you being weird? The expected string got string instead. I mean, that's fine. You can just complain about that. It's not going to be a big error. I said, I hope not. Run. Is it going to cry? It cries. Lovely. I think the trick to that is to make this a list. Yes, that's how we do. So that we can actually add them together. Lovely. Comment on pull you two, pull you two. Oh yes, there we go. Thank you for that. Appreciated. Then pull R. Oh yeah, I've been forgetting about this pull R as well. Because it's so easy. Right, why are you complaining now? Expected string. Oh yeah, that's because this needs to be a list. There we go. Now we should be happy, right? Right? Looks like we're happy. Lovely. Right, let's do another roll. That gives me a big ol' list. Good. I mean, I think. But it looks like a list that contains the list, rather than the list that I actually want. Yeah, it seems to be the list that contains the list. So what happens if I tell it that I wanted to return the 0th entry of the list? Yeah, there we go. Now it just returns a list. That's good. Okay. Okay. Oh, right. Actually, no. I know what the problem is. Same problem as before. I just need to make this a concatenation instead. There we go. There we go. Right, happy now. Happy Malcolm Bell. Very happy Malcolm Bell. Excellent. Right. Now we send. The number of weights does not match the pop. Oh, right, that's. Oh, right. Okay, that's fine. No. So it turns out, yeah, that does need to actually be a list because it's meant to be a list. That's fine. Right. Rerun. Send the roll request. I mean, it still gives me a list of lists for some reason. I mean, it's fine, really. I can just do that and it give me what I want. That's okay. Didn't know Python had that feature. Perl has something similar. Ah, you tend to use Perl. I keep hearing about Perl. I know it's popular in business. Not something I've dipped my toe into. I come at programming from more of a data science background. So for the most part, we are just happy that the program works at all. So Python, did a little bit of MATLAB. Never really got into MATLAB. I'm mostly Python. Let's see. Let's see. Right, I mean, that's fine. I can deal with that. So that tells me what pool I'm going for. You've spent 20 plus years being a systems admin type. Perl's been on every Linux Unix system I've used. Oh. Lots of good experience right there, I'm sure. Right. So now we've got the pool. But now we need to draw a random one from the pool. But the good news is the random pool is already pre-weighted. Because they're just taken up with all those. Although I suppose... I could just leave it as... No, wait, no. Yeah, no, the pools are already pre-weighted. So I don't need to worry about the pools. We can just have fun with the pools. So result is going to be equal to random.choices. But then we just need the pool itself. And that will return the result. Lovely. Okay, that should be us. That should be us. I can now do a single roll. Right, so now we send one gacha roll. Let's see what the result is. That's not what I wanted. Oh no. Random choices. What happens if I do that? Will that fix it? Or will this ruin it more? There we go. Now we've got it. So now we've rolled from C91, U37, C90, C62, C13. Yes! Yes, I'm happy. I'm a happy Mal. Lovely. Well, technically it's returning a list containing that. And I don't want it to return a list containing that, so... Yeah, color me very happy about that. Right. So that should just return... Oh, crap. I didn't mean to stop the server. That's fine. Right. Let's do it again, and this should just return the entry, right? Ah, never mind. We did one too many. That's fine. Oh man, this is the best. This is actually the best. Yep, that's rare number 1, common 83, common 06, common 11, common 82, common 38. Let's keep going until we actually get a mythic. Hold on. Yeah, lots of commons, lots of commons. There's an uncommon. Oh, this is the best. This is the best thing. That's rare 21. Rare 12. Uncommon, uncommon, common. There's mythic 10. Hell yes. Yes. Okay, this is really good. This is really good. Okay, so now, if we're doing a 10 roll, we can do a single roll now. Now we want to do a 10 roll. Mal adding to the toxic gaming industry. You know it, Sid. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing good. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, hopefully you're having a good day. I'm having a much better day today. I started out not feeling very well. I felt a bit run down when I woke up. But after doing some programming for a while, I'm feeling a lot better. A lot better, actually. Right, okay. So now that we can do a single gacha roll, now we just need to do more. So now we're doing a 10 roll. Now we're doing a 10 roll. So 10 roll works differently. Oh, glad you're doing better though. Never had a program making someone feel better. No, if I'm doing something productive, I feel a lot better, and I am being very productive. But yeah. So just to recap for those who may have joined us, I'm not just playing around with gacha rolls, by the way. I actually have this currently running as a server. I mean, you can see MAAN just behind me. So yeah, I've set up a server where I'm sending requests to do gacha rolls basically. I've already set up the server so that it can do cryptographically secure logins, or at least what I think are cryptographically secure logins. I look forward to being proven wrong by someone who actually knows how to implement these things, but it does seem to be working, so I'm gonna roll with it. But yeah, this has been my project for this week. I've learned so much. As I did see your tweet on the subject. Yes, that is true. That is true. I did tweet about it. I'm so happy. Seriously, like, I've wanted to be able to do stuff like this for years, and I just didn't even know where to start. Like, that's the thing, like, you know what you don't know, but you don't know how to find out what you don't know. I mean, not really. So I'm glad I came around to figuring out how to do it in the end. It was a bit of a circuitous route, but I'll take it. Right, to do the 10 roll, we basically just want to do 9 regular gacha rolls, and then we want to do 1 regular roll on the rare table. So that's going to be easy. So results is going to be, let's see, this is going to be gacha roll for X in range 9. Results dot append, then random dot choices, but then we just want to do pull R. Then the results. And then results. And if I'm right, this should now be a 10 roll. As easy as that. Apparently... Huh. Response max generic type what? Maybe I go less. No, so that is a list. Right, I think I can still use that though, right? I think I can. Right, where's my 10 roll? Right, let's do a 10 roll. Give it a shot. It's just sent a bunch of responses. That's great. Right. Results is an empty list. Results dot append gacha roll for X in range 9. Then results dot append, and then why are you complaining about that? Oh, right, it's because, shit, it's because that's doing that, isn't it? Right, so let's just make another function. Another function. That single gacha roll. We'll just have roll, I suppose? No, there's a good gacha roll. Gacha pull roll. And that can contain this. There we go. There we go. Much better. So that can turn that. Result is going to be gacha pull roll. And then that returns result. Lovely. That's going to be gacha pull roll. Yeah, it was the return type that was the problem there. And then, why are you being weird? What's being weird here? Something's been odd. And we'll have that being rear roll. Expected none. What? Why is this being like that? That's very odd. Did encryption in Second Life once though. That was back when ND5 was still cool. Things were simpler and slower back then, reportedly. Ah dear. Ah dear. Fun times though. Yeah, things have gotten, well, they're trying their best to keep, to my understanding anyway, they're trying to keep things as slow as they can these days. Or at least, you know, when they're, when you're doing, what's it called? When you're initially creating a password, you want it to be slow process. Slow to generate, fast to reproduce. There's peers. Expect to take none type but got list instead. Yeah, why is that getting a list of lists? Can I get rid of this? I'm not allowed. I can put it in a thingamajig though. That's a generator. Why is results a generator now? Get generator. Pen doesn't work. Oh wait, no, I don't. Oh, that's why it's a generator. That's fine. That's completely fine. See, we just want to put that in square braces and then we're golden. Right, that should be us now. Maybe I can even just go straight to here. Yes, I can. Lovely. Okay, restart the server. And 10 roll. There we go! Look at this. Okay. So hold on. Let me just move this over here so that you guys can actually see. So we've done the 10 roll. We got common 8, 16, 3, 65, 2, 91. We got an uncommon 38, common 22, common 41, rare 8. So you do get a guaranteed rare. Odds are you'll get 2 uncommons per roll. Odds are you get 2 uncommons, and I believe technically you should expect to get 2 rares per roll. Yeah, you're supposed to get about 2 rares per roll, and here we got rare 14 and rare 27. Oh, and a mythic as well. Oh, that was a good roll. And there's also an uncommon in there too. Lovely. Roll again. Uncommon. Uncommon. There's the guaranteed rare. We got uncommon. 2 rares. Lovely. We got uncommon, rare, rare. Seriously, I think that the rares are actually more common than the uncommons right now. The way that this has worked out. Uncommon, uncommon, uncommon. Another uncommon, and okay, lots of uncommons and then a rare. Yeah, oh, I am so happy. You've got no idea. You have actually no idea how happy I am. This is just the best thing. This is the best thing. This is actually the best thing. Okay, well, color me very happy. Oh, dear me. Well, I've made a gacha game, apparently. Apparently I have. Right, let's just have that return just that. Gacha roll. Let's do a single roll. Lovely. Yep, I'm happy. I'm happy with life. Very happy with life. Although apparently that's just producing a single one. Oh, that's fine. It's because it's a list of lists. Yeah. Remove that. Yep, very happy with this. Okay, well, I really just want to press this button and look at all the rolls over and over and over again. This is just so fun. It really is. Yay, text. Yeah, that's it. That's what you want to see. So now, I've actually got the gacha system working. Or I can demonstrate that I can create a gacha system now. Which is very useful. Let me just move that back over here. Yeah, so now I can demonstrate that I can actually make a gacha system. That's really good. Really good. Yeah, that's brilliant. That's brilliant. I can generate a gacha system. And I can do the rolls. You're now qualified to work at EA. Sounds about right. Oh, dear me. Okay, so, I think I'm gonna... Well, oh, I've not even been going for 2 hours yet. I was about to say, I think industry. No, I think I can go for a wee bit longer. So, that's really good. I can actually make a gacha system. And I can very easily edit the gacha system by changing how many cards or cards, yeah, I'll call them cards, whatever. How many rewards are in each tier, what the odds of getting a given tier are. Wait, am I not using that? Am I using odds? Oh no, I'm using pool odds. Right, so I can get rid of... Wait, where is odds? Hold on. Is odds not being used? I don't think it is. Then why is it not grayed out? Right, fine, we'll just delete it and see what happens. Yeah, nothing complains, doesn't matter. So yeah, now I can very simply change what the odds are for, well, how many of each rarity are created. I can change the distribution of them and how they're actually allocated, what the odds of getting a particular pull are, and then you just roll. Yeah, you still have a couple of hours. Yeah, true. I can probably go for another hour. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to be able to store for every player what cards they have. What's stored inside their inventory like. So cut that out. We'll post this, or paste this rather, back up towards the start somewhere. Needs to be before user. Just pop it here. So this is going to be gacha system settings. Lovely. So that's all determined in there. Do more comments. That's where it went. Go. So yeah, now we want to have a look at user. Now, I think I want to implement the as a dictionary. Does the user document have a dictionary or hash table option? Is what I want to know. So, no, it's MongoDB document fields. Yeah, is there? They're field value pairs. You can have dictionaries in there. I don't necessarily have to specify that they're string fields, though. I think I can just say... what would this be? Collection? Yeah, that can just be a dictionary. And... we're gonna want to track the number of every individual entry in said collection. I think we can do that here, actually. Right. So, right here, we're gonna do collection dictionary is going to be empty dictionary. And then collection deck X is going to be, oh no, hold on, it'll be 0 for underscore X. We do this. It's gonna be mythic plus rare plus uncommon plus common. Why are you unhappy? What if we made this a length? No, not happy. Not happy at all. Yeah, why? Why are you not happy? Not happy at all. Hello there, TV. How's it going, Guru Guru? What is Guru Guru? I hear a Guru 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 Guru. Hopefully you're doing good, TV. Good to see you. I'm making a gacha game. And I can do 10 rolls. Look. Okay, I could do 10 rolls if it was working. It's not currently working. But I can do them. Round and around, it's true. Could not send requests. Could not send requests. Oh, it's because it's not running. That's fine. Yeah, let's actually get the server running so I can actually send a 10 roll request. There we go. Look. Look. I did a 10 roll. Common result. Common, 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 common. One uncommon and one rare. Yeah, I can actually do a... I've actually got a gacha game now. Well, I've got the basics for the gacha system itself down. And I'm quite chuffed with it, actually. Now I'm just trying to actually add the... I'm just trying to add what the results of the gacha are to the server. Or like to the account. I'm trying to let the accounts track what cards they have. Is the next order of business. So why is this not working? It was working before. Right, let's just squeeze all these down. Give you a bit more space. User database, I don't care right now. Free records, user login, it's not there. It was in, I don't want a breakpoint. Update record, no. Delete record, no, no. Gacha roll. Hmm. Why are you not playing? Why aren't you being nice? I mean, that is a list there. And for every entry in the list, I want to set that entry to 0. So we're tracking the number of however many you've got. Are we not able to change dictionaries here? I mean, we should be able to. Why are you working here but not there? Unresolved reference. What is happening? I mean, I can still break it up into 2. Like, for X in this. And just do this. Yeah, it doesn't mind that, but it minds it when I try and squeeze it down to one line. Why? Get rid of those. Yeah, it's fine with that. But for some reason it's not fine the other way. It really feels like it shouldn't mind about that. Like, it doesn't seem like that should be a problem. Or, well, actually, what if I did this, but like inside the definition of the dictionary? I mean, it's complaining, of course. Cannot assign to literal. Probably just complaining. Yeah, I mean, I can do a 2-step loop. That's fine. It's fine. Hello, Kuro. You're AFK. What has happened? I've made a gacha game. I can do gacha rolls. Hold on. Let me move this over. Oh, also. There we go. That's a bit more move. Right, so I can now do a gacha roll. So if I just comment this out. And we run the server. You monster! I know, right? But yeah, look, you see all this text down here? If I press this button. Now we've just done a gacha roll. I can do a 10 roll. So we've got common 95, uncommon 2. What other fun things we have? Just rare 38. So we've got a guaranteed rare. And then there is a 1 in 10 chance of any of these being a rare. There's a 2 in 10 chance of any of them being uncommon. And there's a 7 in 10 chance of any of them being common as well. Do you know how addicted I get to gacha? Listen, I've not even... Like, I've literally just implemented the gacha system itself right now. I've just implemented the rolling. There's no minigame yet. There's no reason to collect all these. There's no reason to collect the gacha yet. Give it time. There will be reason. But yeah, now it rolls. I've been playing Fate Grand Order for 6 years. Oh my god. Well, maybe you'll play my game instead. Maybe you'll play my game instead. Oh dear. Right, yeah, I think I can deal with this. I would like this to be more concise. It's not, but that's fine. Right, I'm gonna go back to having a little look back at this. So, how do I do a deep copy again? How do I do a deep copy? Because collections decided. Oh, hold on, I'll move this out of the way. There we go. I'm good and don't spend a lot of money on it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Glad you can survive, Kuro. Glad you can survive. But yeah, so what I want to do just now, I'm basically creating the collection dict up here. And that's going to contain a dictionary that contains a list. Well, all of the keys are every possible result. And then it'll track how many of each of them you have in your account. And I want that to be over here, but I want it to be the same item. But rather, I don't want them all just to... I don't want every user to have the same collection. I want them to have different collections. So, let's see. Python create deep copy. I think deep copy itself works. Turn shallow copy, deep copy. Create a binding. Yeah, assignments create bindings between targets and objects. Sometimes a copy is necessary, so one can change one copy without changing the other. Shallow copy. Constructs a new compound object and then inserts references to it, into it, to the objects found in the original. Or deep copy constructs a new compound object and then inserts copies into it of the object found in the original. Okay. I'm happy to use deep copy. So collection equals we're probably going to import copy, or rather from copy import deep copy. Thank you. So now I can deep copy collection deck. Lovely. And now every collection should be different. Lovely. Now... No. Let us delete my user over here. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go back to looking at the database rather than looking at Postman, because we know what Postman does, so that's fine. So over here, there we go. So now we can see the database. It's got no data. We click find, it's got nothing inside it. That's fine. So we're still running. I'm going to send, oh my god, it's all gacha rolls. I am going to ask it to make a brand new user. That looks about right. We send. And that should have worked fine there. Let's search. Right, that's good. We've got the name, the hash, the email. But it doesn't seem to have stored the collection info. That's a problem. Okay. Let's have a little look. What's it called? Mongo engine. Flask Mongo engine. Or is it Mongo engine? Let's do Mongo engine. Flask Mongo engine. Flask Mongo engine. We are looking for field, isn't it? Yes, field. Right. So what fields are possible? End field, float field, decked field! Yes, decked field, that's what I needed. Lovely. Okay, that's good. So we just change this to decked field. I will cut that out for now. Use deep copied collection deck, that's fine. Decked field. Decked field. Lovely. So that's, yeah, I'm gonna have to import that as well. Decked field. Lovely. Hello, Isus. Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to have you here. Hi, and also I'm confused on what you're doing. I'm making a gacha game. And it kind of works, as a matter of fact. I can demonstrate that just now. Since you've just joined. Let me just go back to Postman. Postman. Moshi. Where are you? Where are you? Why is it not showing? Why is it not showing? Hold on. Wait, is it because this must match exactly? Yeah, find it of the same type. There we go. There we go. Okay, this is fine. So, I'm logged in. I think I'm logged in anyway. But yeah, I should now be able to do a 10 roll. It's not allowed because I'm not logged in. Excuse me, had sneeze. To be honest, if it releases, I will play it and rate it 5 stars. I appreciate that. Right, still need to log in. So let's just log in. There we go. User Mal has logged in. Lovely. Hello there, Fixer10. Oh god, API dev. Yeah, it's API dev. You know what? I've been having a lot of fun with it though. I really have. I really have been having a lot of fun with it. It's been a nightmare. I've been bashing my head against a brick wall for a while, trying to get it to work. But now it works. I've actually got a login thing. Not working today. Time to watch someone do what I do at work. Oh dear. Well, enjoy your weekend there, Fixer10. Well, what of it remains. And yeah, well, best of luck with the work. But yeah, API dev. I found I actually kind of find it interesting. It's got to that stage. But yeah, I've got a gacha system. I've got a secure login system. If I do a 10 roll, then I get a 10 roll result. Wait, hold on, we'll move it over here. There we go. So yeah, I can do a 10 roll. You can see it's specified by 10 roll is true. And then it does 10 rolls with the last roll being a guaranteed rare. It's great. It's definitely interesting. I prefer it to front end stuff for sure. Oh yeah, no. I approach programming from a data science angle. Like that's my experience. My experience is more data science. So yeah, user experience is not really my forte. I would very much like to outsource that to someone else, or just be as lazy as possible. I'm genuinely considering using RenPy as a front end. I know. I did some data science stuff in school. Very interesting. Yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting. But yeah, so I can do a 10 roll. I can do a 10 roll, and we've got common results. Ooh, this person got very lucky. They got 3 rares in 1 roll, as well as an uncommon. Not too bad. Pretty sure everyone hates the front end stuff. Yeah, that's probably true. Didn't the RenPy dev increase runtime fee by 100 times? Yeah, that's true. He did do that. He did do that. But you know what? It's still better than Unity. TV. Yeah, for like the last 2 years, whenever I've mentioned programming, TV's just been like, yeah, Mal, you should use Unity. Mal, you should use Unity. And then what happens? Unity becomes literally unusable. RIP Unity developers. If you have some money, you could hire someone to do one thing for you if you're bad at it. That's true. That's true. That is an option. We'll see what happens with this idea. We'll see what happens with this one. I swear developer Twitter is like 80% front-end enjoyers that I can't relate to. The thing is though, Fixer10, what you're looking at, like the problem is, when we're talking about developers, a lot of programming goes in the background. And the thing is, the background programming, it's the Pareto principle, basically. One potential argument here being the back-end programming does 80% of the effort of whatever you've created, but it only affects like 20% of user experience. So the vast majority of people who are interested in seeing what's happening with software development, they're only interested in the front-end stuff. Like, that's like all they're interested in seeing. They don't really care about the cool functionality. I care about the cool functionality. That's where I have my fun. It's where I've always had my fun, yeah. It's hard to explain to non-technical people what you do exactly. You make it so that the pretty websites or the pretty apps that they use actually work. You're not responsible for that one visual bug. That's somebody else's problem. That's the UX issue. You're making sure that the app itself actually functions. Dear, but then people are like, well, why? Why do you need to do that? Of course you need to do that. That is the app. That is the app. If they, like, you could just say, okay, if you don't think what I'm important is, you get a nice little window that you can move things around in, type things in, but it does nothing. The alternative is you've got something that's a terrible user experience, like you're literally typing into the command line, but it does the work perfectly. Which would you prefer? Something that does nothing or something that's a hassle? I mean, ideally we'd prefer something that is not a hassle and also works perfectly, but that is why we have DevOps. Anyway, if you're using the data model view strat correctly, then your front end is doing nearly nothing. It just takes most of your time to make. Exactly. This is exactly true. Anyway, yes, I've just been showing off, or, well, I was trying to show off. Yeah, I can do 10 rolls now for my gacha game, which is lovely. Where is Compass? There we go. So, why were you being weird again? What was the problem we were having? Oh, yeah, we weren't doing, dict field, yes. So, if we're using dict field, we've got that there. When the user's created, where is user created? There's create record, there we go. So now we want to do, we've got the name, we've got email. We want to say, is it collection dict and user? Where's user? Hold on. Got a better idea. There we go. User. Got somewhere up here. Oh yeah, let's move this back over. There we go. 10% toxic, yep. Oh, 10 times toxic, it's true. There we go. Collection. It's just called collection, that's fine. So now we want collection equals, not collection. Collection is collection dict. That should be us now. Right, let's just restart the server. Let's clear the database. And let's do a login. So we send, we created a new user account. If we do find, collection object. Oh, there we go. It's a drop down. That's it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, that is gorgeous. So yeah, we've got all 15 mythics, all of the rares, all the way up to 53. Well, it's the 0 indexed, of course. Up to uncommon 80. There we go. So now I can actually track the collection. Now we're gonna have the fun time. Now, let's see about making it so that we can actually add the results of a gacha roll to the account. This is what we're working towards right here. So, I need to create record, post gacha role. Result is that. So do we want to do it here? Whereas so it's in post gacha role. There we go. So let's see. For how do we access this? How do we access it? I want to see the login point. Where's the login? You've got to look at the user. That's create record. Amend record is going to be helpful. Look at right here. Update record. New password. Salt. Aha. Named account. Yeah. So when we're doing a gacha role, we need to know what the account is. So yeah. And we can do this all within get post gacha role as well. So username is going to be current user.name. Wait, do I even need to load that? I don't think I need to load that, you know. I don't think I need to do that actually. I think we just need to, so that's results. For result and results. So for each entry in this list, results is response. Oh. Right. We may need to juggle this a little because I've got a lot of these JSONifies where they don't need to be. Yeah. So return results. Just have the roles themselves return results, and then we can do the whole JSONify stuff at the end. So return results, or rather result. There we go. JSONify. This bit gets JSONified. There we go. And now we've got our list of results here. So for result and results, we want to enter this into the dictionary. So we use current user.collection. Why is that not working? Rather, collection was current user.collection. Collection. Oh. That's selection with a C. Oh dear. So then collection. Result plus equals 1. I think that should be us. That should be us. That should be us, right? There's no way that could be us. Okay, this is probably gonna not work. I'm looking forward to it not working. Right, so what we're gonna do, we are logged in, we're gonna do a 10 roll, and then we're gonna check and see if this actually works. So 10 roll. Method is not allowed for the requested URL. Why not? Are we not logged in? Did I clear the database? No, the database is still there. Are we just not logged in? We might just not be logged in. So let's try logging in. Okay, now we're logged in. Now try the 10 roll. We got an error. The view function did not return a valid response. It needs to be a string dict tuple response instance or WSGI callable, but it was a list. Why are you complaining about that? And more importantly, where is that error? It's not telling me where the error is at all. It's just a Flask complaint. Why is Flask complaining about that? Like, where is the complaint? String dict tuple response instance or WSGI callable, but it was a list. Why are you complaining? Because I mean, we're sending a JSON object. Right, let's just use some prints. Sending results. Let's see if we can actually find it if we do this. Let's try another gacha roll. So it doesn't get as far as that. Getting user. Getting user collection. Ah, wait, that may be the problem. Well, part of the problem. Glad I spotted that anyway. We need to set the collection outside of the for loop. Okay, let's give this a try. Run. It does not get the user collection. This is a 10 roll. It is sending a 10 roll. The view function did not return a valid response. I mean, it was working before I tried to do this, wasn't it? Or have I like made another error somewhere? Let's see what's happening with the database. That's still there. Yeah, that's weird. It seems to be working fine as long as I don't load this. Let me try commenting this out. Let's see if it will work now. Why would you not be working? Yeah, no, it's still throwing an error. Why? Why? So it's not inside post gacha roll. It's somewhere else. Have I like made a typo somewhere? Maybe it's something that I've changed down here. Gacha roll. So they do single rolls. They don't need to be anything to do with anything. So when it's running a roll, it gets the gacha roll request, confirms whether it's a 10 rolls. If it's a 10 roll, then it rolls the 10 roll. If it's not, then it returns that. Because it just goes immediately to return results, but results hasn't been changed. That's why. Okay, that's fine. So that's the problem. Results was in the incorrect format. That's fine. Right, that's the problem. So there's also the problem about this return. I'd rather not duplicate code. It's not neat. This definition here and go up to the top before the split. Copy you, go there, go there. Delete you, delete you. That should be us now. Actually, no, hold on. I don't need this return here. At least I don't think so. Result and results. Right, this is fine. Just remove that. Else. Results is gacha roll. Then we do that. There we go. That's a lot neater. Not as neat as I'd like it to be, but a lot neater. Right, okay. Okay. I think we're good now. I think we're good. Hold on. So we're already logged in. We just need to do a 10 roll. We got another error. Unhashable type list. Well, at least it tells me where this is now. Unhashable type list. So that's in 292. That's here. Let's just say print X. No result. Just show me what that's gonna be. Show me what that is when you're trying to print it, please. Okay, so it is a list. So I want to extract it from the list. If we do 0, that should extract it, hopefully. Go to the 0 index. There we go. There we go. Okay, now we're cooking, folks. Roll results. Actually, is there a better way I can do that? Because in gacha roll, gacha pull, gacha 10 roll. I do that? And then I remove this. Let's try it one more time, just to see that it wasn't a fluke, in the words of the lockpicking lawyer. Run again. And now it crashes. Unhashable type list. But that time it does... yeah, no. Yeah, so this does need to be removing that. Run again. This is fine. Run, crashes. I mean, that list I like. That's a lot better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That last entry is the problem. That should be it, hopefully. 10 roll. There we go. But that only returns the last one. Or the first one, rather. Remove that. There we go. Now we are cooking, folks. We send a roll. And that gets me just a plain list now. That just gets me a plain list over here. That is fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. It just sends the list. Wonderful. 3 rares, I know, right? 37, 28, and 38. So... yeah, I was toying with the idea of like hard coding in runs in the game. So you would know that if you got like rare 15 in one deck, you would know that the next rare would have at the very least rare 16, like the next in the sequence. I'm still playing around with that idea. I don't know if I'll actually follow through on it. Right, so good news is we can now do rolls, but does it save to the account? It doesn't appear to save to the account. Why not? Why is it not saving to the account? Is this a CCG? It's drawing heavily from Magic the Gathering, yes. It's more I just want to like artificially put the runs in for the sake of fun, basically. But that's not currently the priority. The priority is getting this to actually track what's happening. Collection results equals let's try that. It might just be that we can't use plus equals when we are doing dictionary operations. That I would almost expect. Right, run a gacha roll. Check the results. No! No, it's not saving. Why is it not saving? Why is it not saving? Why isn't it saving? It should be saving that these rolls have been done. R6 should be being updated. But it's not. Maybe I should just go immediately to current user.select collection rather than going through collection. Current user collection. Let's give that a try instead. Send the 10 roll request. We get our 10 roll. Lovely. We find nothing. It is just not update. Why is it not updating? Okay, I'm gonna have to check this then. So dict field for generation behavior. Dict field is db.dictfield, that's fine. With predefined dict. Email field. No, I don't want email field. Because I mean, oh, we need to use update. Right, okay. So current user dot update. Yeah, okay. Collection account equals that. Why are you now complaining? Unresolved reference to GACHA. That is already there. Why are you... What's... This is being weird now. Results of the GACHA 10 rule. GACHA 10 rule exists. Look, it's defined right here. Right, apparently that is doing a thing. Right. So, current user... No, wait. You know what? Let's go back to using collection. Collection is current user.collection. Collection.update. Is it update record? Hashed account is user object. Oh, right, it needs to be a user. Yeah, we need to get the user info. But current user works too. Right. User name is going to be current user.name. That's fine. So now user is dot objects, then name is username. So that actually gets me the user object itself. Then, and that has to be derived from the current user. So if you're doing a GACHA roll, you can only update your own account, not somebody else's. You're not allowed to roll on someone else's behalf. Although, that could be an interesting feature to add in its own way. Good way to get some simp money, I suppose. Right, so that does that. Now we do user.update. We're gonna do... what's it called? Collection... Where is that? Collection. Yeah, it's collection. 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 Doesn't seem to like that, does it? Collection. Result. Plus equals 1. No, it doesn't like that, and for some reason when I do that, it means that GACHA rule doesn't exist. That is really odd. Why is update doing that? That is so weird. Like, it's not recognizing the collection as a member? Or rather, it's an attribute? But it is. It's totally an attribute. There we go. Okay, so collection. Why do you want to do that? Why specifically do you want to do that? Why? Because that will just change the collection entirely. Do I need to like get the collection first and then reassign the collection? I think I might need to do it like that. That's a lot more roundabout than I might have liked. Because I don't want to have to like get and then change it all. Why would it be like that? Why actually would it be like that? Mongo engine edit dict field. We'll see if there's a way to do that. Updating a dict field in Mongo engine. Update. You set, if you want to set multiple keys. Key equals X. The flip. Taking a dict of keys and values you can convert to a new dict in an update. So thingy objects. I do not have the data to save the entire dict again. I only have one item I want to add at a time. Push is to add a new item to a list, not a dict. Right. Okay, I think I've got it. I think I've got something. So we've got the object. We're doing update. What is that? Right, okay. Hold on. So we want to do set collection key. There we go. Or rather, not key. We don't want it to be key. We want to set it to result equals so we want to get collections result first. Get current. Current count is collection result. Wait, did I get rid of collection? Current user collection result. There we go. So current count plus 1. There we go. I think that works. I just had to do this weird thing where we've got to specify set and then result. Okay. Do I need to do that? No. Does this work? I'm not sure. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, let's give this a try and let's see if this actually works. Because if this does work, I'm gonna be a very happy man. Let's do a 10 roll. We've done a 10 roll. Let's check this. Nothing's been added. Ah, now we've got this underscore result. Okay. Okay. That's okay. This is progress though. Because you can see now we've got this underscore result. That comes from this section over here. Because we've got that specified as underscore result, now it shows up as underscore result over here in the dictionary. So we just want to be able to specify exactly which key we want over here without doing this, basically. Which I might be able to do, actually. If I go for instruction, it is going to be set collection. Let's make it a string set collection. And then this is going to be result. Make it an F string. Then we just say instruction. No, it doesn't like that. Nice try. Very nice try. Right. Let's see this one. I mean, that's helpful. But it's not what I want. So, new schools. Oh, okay. There's another way to do this. There's another potential way to do this. I love it when there's another potential way to do this. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to create a new dictionary with the results that we want. So it's going to be result to insert is going to be a dictionary, and it's just going to be what we want. So result, and then it's going to be current count plus 1. So we are inserting this dictionary and we're going to be putting it into this dictionary here. So yeah. That's the dictionary there. Dict. AV, new schools, after items. Not necessary. I think it must be necessary. Okay. Yeah, we're on to something. I don't know what we're on to, but we're on to something. Right, let me just move that so it's somewhere I can actually see. Right. So we've got the dictionary. Set to insert is going to be dict set set collection. Oh, right, this is how you do it. We'll do it this way. KV for KVN to insert dot iter items. Unresolved attribute reference. Why is that unresolved attribute reference? Does it matter? New skill to insert. Should probably be fine. Wait, actually, am I doing this the wrong way? Am I doing this the wrong way? Because we've got a large number of results here. We've got a list of results. So, yeah, hold on. Yeah, we can do it like this. So to insert that is then equal to current count plus 1. So to insert is next dictionary. Then we do that. We get, just delete that. Got current count. To insert results current count, then we're inserting this. Got iter items, current count. We don't need this anymore, but I'm going to move it back to the inside of the for. But we are going to comment it out. Set to insert, deck set collection. And now we're going for, where's collection? Do we have collection? I think it's in current user, aren't we? Yeah, current user. No, wait, hold on. User. User. Which already uses objects. Dot update. Set to insert. I think that should work. I think that should hopefully work. As long as it doesn't complain about iter items, that should work. Let's give this a bash. Enroll. Error. Decked object has no attribute iter items. Does it not? Right, that's fine. We knew that could be a potential problem. Decked. With Python. Decked. Iter items. How to iterate through a dictionary. Go away. Iterator was removed because deck.items now does the thing that deck.iteritems did in Python 2 and improved it. Right, okay, so we just need items instead, that's fine. Okay, that should be it then. How much longer do you plan to go for? I'll be done right now if this works. If this works, I'll be done right now. 10 roll. Another error. Cannot resolve field collection. Ah, I missed an underscore. That's fine. We can fix that. I think we're done. I think we might be done. Fingers crossed we're done. We did a 10 roll. And it hasn't complained. Let's update the database. Yes, it's worked. It's worked. Yes, it's actually worked. Look, Mythic 4. We've got Mythic 4. Hold on. Yeah. Checking here. We got Mythic 4, Rare 49. Yeah, we got Rare 29, 49, and Mythic 4. 2945 rather. 2945. So there's Mythic 4. There's 29. And there's 45. We've fucking done it. We've actually done it. We can actually do a gacha roll and store how many of each have been done in the account forever. Incredible. I'm happy. You're happy. This is a good day. This is a good day to be Mal. This is a very good day to be Mal. Right. How many channel points for another 10 pull? Hello, Valana. Hopefully you're doing good. That would be kind of fun, actually. You know, doing a little Twitch integration, and then, yeah, just having this like set up as a bot, just watching chat, and then you can do like gacha rolls and stuff. There's an idea, actually. There is an idea. Maybe we'll turn that into a little project at some point. Who knows? Maybe make a little gacha Twitch bot. Because why not? Okay. I am supremely happy right now. You have no idea. You have absolutely no idea. This is very satisfying. Right, let's make a new account. Let's log into said account. And let's just confirm that the account is currently empty. Yep, completely empty. No rolls have been done. Now we do a gacha 10 roll. We get the results. We're looking for M12. So we roll. M12 is now a 1. It actually flipping works. Absolutely incredible. You know, this has probably been the most productive programming stream I've ever done in my life, honestly. I don't think any programming stream I've done up until this point has been quite as successful as this. I don't think they actually have. So, yeah, where did we go from today? Today, we started with a secure login system. And that was basically it. As well as a very, very basic gacha roller. Which literally just said, you have done a 10 roll. You have done a 1 roll. But what have we got now? Now we actually have a system where we've got a fully realized gacha system. Where we've got like different rarities in different numbers of rarities. We've got, yeah, this is like the lists of all of them. These are the different pools you can potentially roll from. The odds of rolling from a specific pool. And then we've actually got the list that can actually be drawn from as well. Or we've actually got the rolls that draw from those specific lists as well. And we've set it so that you can actually post it to your user account. So you can track everything that you've got in there. This is incredible. That is a lot of progress right there. Okay. This is like, I think 80% of the gacha game's back end done. all I need now is, well, I need a functioning front end. I need a mini game so that people can actually, you know, earn the currency to be able to do the gachas, and, you know, come up with a game for the gacha to service. But yeah, this is a huge step right here, I have to say. So yeah, I think that's going to do it for me today. I'm going to very quickly disappear and grab some grub. And otherwise, just chill out for the rest of the day. So yeah, massive thank you everyone for coming along to... Oh dear. Massive thank you everyone for coming along today. It is super appreciated. Hopefully you've enjoyed your time here. I know I have. This has been the most, again, this has been the most productive programming stream I've had. And on a day where I wasn't feeling very well, and I thought, well, at the very least, I'll be able to show off what I've been doing lately. So yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming along today. Thank you for Lana, TV, Kuro, Sid, Fixer 10. Hopefully, you've not been receiving too much pain from your own work. Asusel and Karabachi and Violet Bitkitten. Special thanks to Violet Bitkitten for the follow, and also to Ocelot for the gifted sub as well. All that 3 hours is pretty good. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah, special thanks to Violet Bitkitten for the follow, and to Ocelot for the gifted sub. If you're watching and not already following, do consider dropping a follow. We'll maybe see some more programming in the future. My hope is that I'll be needing to do more programming in future. So yeah, long may this continue. But yeah, until next time, I'll actually bring up a schedule for next week for sure. But yeah, until tomorrow, take care of yourselves, be good to yourselves, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Bye bye, everyone. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye. Yeah, I know, an actual schedule. Listen, it was not for want of trying that I didn't manage to get a schedule this week. This was an awful week, as you can probably guess. This was an awful week. But yeah, the worst is past us now. The worst is behind us. Right, who shall we raid? I think let's raid Spacefish. Just playing some more Baldur's Gate. Spacefish. Lovely. Yep. Thank you again for coming, everyone. Take it easy. Be good to yourselves. Matane. No, you.